Hey everyone, I just thought it would be cool if there was a place where we could share our dreams and tell everyone how funny they are or how scary or whatever. And you can talk about your favorite dreams by posting a video response or a text response. My favorite dream is one I had, and my dad and me went to a restaurant, and then we went to another restaurant, and we saw my grandma and grandpa there at the bar drinking beer, and we didn't want them to know we were there for some reason, so we left. And we did it the next day. We went to the first restaurant, and then to the next one again, and my grandparents were there again, and we just kept doing it until they weren't there, but they were always there. So you can respond if you want.